Good afternoon, students. Today in this experiment we are going to show oil spill cleanup method. Things required: water, oil, washing powder, bowl, glass and spoon. After this experiment what you will learn? When washing powder is added in mixture of oil and water, the oil get dispersed into smaller droplets as the oil act as surfactant. Surfactant means when washing powder is added in mixture of oil and water, the oil gets dispersed into smaller droplets. So it becomes easier to clean oil spill on surface of water. So students, let us begin with the experiment. So here we are going to show you two methods to remove oil layer from the surface of water. That is chemical dispersion method and skimming method. So here we are going to use bowl, glass, washing powder, oil and a bottle of water. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add this water in a glass. So when we are adding water in this glass, what you have to consider? You have to consider it as ocean. This water you have to consider it as ocean. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add oil in this water. So when we are adding oil in this water, you will see that layer of oil will remain on surface of water. It will not sink. Why? Because oil is lighter than water, so it will remain on surface of water. So same thing is happening when oil is leaking from the oil tankers. It will remain on surface of water. So thus it creates water pollution. Now in order to remove this layer of oil from surface of water, scientists are using various chemicals. So here we are going to use washing powder to break this layer of oil. So when we are adding washing powder in this water, you will see that it breaks down the layer of oil. And these smaller droplets of oil will be consumed by marine organism and thus converts into harmless substance. So this method we are saying chemical dispersion method. Now you will not see layer of oil on surface of water. Now next method is skimming method. So in this again we are going to add some water in this glass. And again we are going to add oil in this water. So again you will see that oil will remain on surface of water. So now in order to remove this layer of oil from surface of water, what we are going to use? We are going to use spoon and we are going to remove this oil and we are going to collect it in a bowl. So this is very time consuming method. So scientists are using various techniques to remove this layer of oil from surface of water. So this method is known as skimming method. So after this experiment, what you have learned? When washing powder is added in the mixture of oil and water, the oil gets dispersed into smaller droplets as the oil acts as surfactant. So when washing powder is added in mixture of oil and water, it breaks down into smaller droplets so that it becomes easier to clean oil spill on surface of water. Thank you.